Hi, I'm Trisha Morris from Club Scrap, and I've got another handmade book workshop for you. This one is called the Travel Memory Book. It's going to have tons of room for pictures, and it's all about travel. Let's take a look at the project and what comes in the kit. So here is that book. It's about 6 by 8 inches. It has nice wide spines. We have lots of room for all kinds of pictures. I think at least 60 pictures. It has an adorable little closure. And then when you open it, you've got all kinds of activities here inside. On the left, we've got a fun pocket that holds the tags that come in the kit. In the middle, we have a buckle. And then inside is a really fun little zigzag set of pictures that can be expanded even further. On the right, there's a vertical waterfall. Now, in past projects, I've made a horizontal waterfall, but sometimes it's really nice to have a spot for all of your plentiful vertical photos. Maybe you visited New York and you have all the skyscrapers. Of course, it's all going to be vertical, right? And then we've got a little hook and loop closure here that opens up to reveal all kinds of fun things on the inside. So I've decorated this with just what came in the kit, nothing more. And then we have these fun little pocket pages. And then inside you have room to store all kinds of additional photos and memories. We've got journaling prompts for you here. Here is an open pocket. This is a tri-fold little insert. Oh my gosh, there's just so much real estate here. You are gonna have a blast. You have a medium-sized pocket with an insert, another pocket, and then the back. You can add photos just everywhere in this entire book. It's just so much fun to put together, and I've got it all stepped out for you in the highly detailed instruction packet. So it is page after page of detailed drawings, sketches, illustrations, and written instructions to help guide the way. Plus, we'll have that video. So I will work with you one-on-one at your very own pace because you have that magical pause button and you will be able to make this along with me. Now, granted, it's a bit of an advanced project that requires quality measuring skills, a good trimmer, and some basic supplies. And of course, all of those will be listed in the instructions. The kit itself includes one complete freeway page kit, 3 sheets of our amazing folding board, those 3 pocket envelopes, 2 small glassine envelopes, your elastic closure, a black button for the closure, and then 5 hook and loop dots for the 5 different closures we'll have on the book. The components are also available separately. That will include the envelopes, the glassine envelopes, elastic closure, button, 3 sheets of that folding board, and your printed instructions with a link to the video. If it's your very first book project with me, I highly recommend using the original collection so that you don't get confused about what goes where. To give you a hint of what this can look like in another collection, I made another sample with our Colorful Life page kit. This was a special edition page kit that was released from Club Scrap recently, but you can see while the colors are completely different, the elements are exactly the same, the effect is completely different, and true, you still have a ton of room for wonderful photos. No matter what occasion you're celebrating, consider making your travel memory book the thing that keeps the memories alive. Pick up your kit today, and I look forward to seeing you in class.